Hi guys! Today we're going to be reviewing this tree swing that I got for the kids. Really cool. As you can see, it holds a lot of weight. Really simple to put together. It takes these bolts, 4 on each side, and then you can hang it on a tree, you can hang it on a swing, anything. Really nice, it's colorful, the kids love it. It's got padding on the side so it doesn't hurt. You want to get up?
Can I get up?
Whoa! Go ahead. The kids love playing with this. You know, they have lots of fun, especially now in the summer months. This is great. So really highly recommend it. It's a great swing, and like I said, you can put it on a swing set or on any tree you can hang. So really nice. Right guys, what do you guys think?
I love it. It's really good.
So we highly recommend this product and we hope you enjoy.
Bye.
Bye.